Hi guys, in this video we talk about Rog Phone 8 Pro versus Oppo Find X7 Ultra. The Asus Rog Phone 8 Pro launched on January 2024 with the price tag of $1,299. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra launched on January 2024 with the price tag of $1,199. The body dimensions is same, not much difference. The weight, Rog Phone 8 Pro come with 225 gram, Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 221 gram. The build, both devices come with front and back glass and aluminium frame and dual SIM support in both mobile. The display type. The Rog Phone 8 Pro come with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color. Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color. The screen size, Rog Phone 8 Pro 6.78 inches. Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 6.82 inches. The resolution, the Rog Phone 8 Pro come with 1080p screen resolution. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 2K screen resolution. The PPI dynasty, Rog Phone 8 Pro come with 388 PPI dynasty. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 510 PPI dynasty. The refresh rate, Rog Phone 8 Pro come with 165Hz refresh rate. Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 120Hz refresh rate. Screen to body ratio, Rog Phone 8 Pro 88.2%, Oppo Find X7 Ultra 91.3%. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. The Rog Phone 8 Pro come with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. The screen brightness, Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 4500 nits peak of brightness. The Rog Phone 8 Pro come with 2500 nits peak of brightness. The camera, Rog Phone 8 Pro come with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 32 megapixel telephoto, 13 megapixel ultra wide, and it's record 8K 30fps video. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with quad camera setup. Main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide, 50 megapixel periscope telephoto, 50 megapixel periscope telephoto with Hasselblad color calibration, and it's record 8K 30fps video. The front camera of these devices, the Oppo Find X7 Ultra and the Rog Phone 8 Pro come with 32 megapixel of selfie camera, and it's record 1080p 60fps video and 4K 30fps video. Let's talk about the platform of these devices. The Rog Phone 8 Pro come with octa-core Cortex-X4 CPU, and the same Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with octa-core Cortex-X4 CPU. The chipset, the Rog Phone 8 Pro and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset, and the GPU of these devices, the Rog Phone 8 Pro and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with Adreno 750, and the both devices come with Android 14 operating system. The memory, the Rog Phone 8 Pro come with 16GB of and 24GB of RAM. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM. The Rog Phone 8 Pro come with 512GB and 1TB of internal storage. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage. Let's talk about the battery. The Rog Phone 8 Pro come with 5500 mAh battery, and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 5000 mAh battery. The Rog Phone 8 Pro come with 65W fast charging, and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra 100W fast charging. The wireless charging, Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 50W wireless charging, and Rog Phone 8 Pro come with 15W wireless charging. And the both mobile come with 5G network support. The common and feature is same, and Rog Phone 8 have gaming trigger also. The result of these devices, the Oppo Find X7 Ultra got 23 points and the Rog Phone 8 Pro got 20 points.